PolyLite ASA is an alternative to ABS with an improved weather resistance. PolyLite ASA has the same mechanical and thermal properties as PolyLite ABS, with the ability to resist UV radiation and weather in general. Its good weather resistance makes it ideal for outdoor applications such as garden tools, outdoor decorations, or parts that are in direct sunlight, or any 3D print which will be exposed to the elements. Similar to ABS, PolyLite ASA will require an enclosed chamber for printing larger parts. However, the printing quality remains very high. PolyLite ASA comes in two colours, white and black, and can be processed very easily due to the unique surface chemistry natural to the material.